What is up, everybody? Today we have a pretty big package from Speedcube Shop. It's gonna be very cool. In here should be the new Megaminx. I have no idea what it's called. I think it's one from YJ, and the GAN 11M Pro, which is pretty cool. All right, so apparently it says, you know, to open, lift tab and pull quickly. So I'm gonna follow FedEx's instructions, and I will do that. So there we go. It is now open. I guess we'll start with this. Whoa, it's looking pretty weird. It's actually a lot smaller than I thought it would be, but it looks the same that I saw in videos on camera. So I guess we'll take a look at this one first. All right, here we have some scissors, and I will just proceed to cut like this. It's not working. What the heck? It's not working. All right, there we go. This is a $69 cube. Or $70, and I got it for half the price because it was on sale, which is pretty cool. Let's see the big reveal. So this is pretty cool. Box looks really nice, actually. We have a credit card or something. I don't know what is going on. We have whatever this is. I have one of these, and then we have the Mighty Fine Cube, which I'll take a look at after the accessories. All right, the accessories. Oh wait. I'm so confused. Are these for me to open it? How do I open this? No, I don't want to rip it. What? No, that's certainly not the way that I want to open it. No, I ripped it. Just open. It's so annoying. Okay, finally. I guess they all want to come out at once, which is fine by me. I'm not gonna, you know, hate. Here's the GAN bag. I already have one of these, but it's always nice to have another one. Here is whatever this is. Pretty sure this is like the magnet stuff or something like that. Yeah, this is the tools and whatever. These are useless. And we have the mini screwdriver. It's like a flathead screwdriver. And I remember this one is to change the magnets. Now here we go. This is the real deal right here. This is the cube. This is the stuff. Ayo, so this is the GAN 11M Pro. Comes in this pretty cool box. I agree with this box. This box is very cool. The cube is really light, and the finish is supposed to be UV coated. Honestly, kinda just feels like glossy. Actually, no. It feels a little bit better than glossy, but it does look really nice. So there's nothing really else to say. I'll just do some first turns now. Whoa. Okay. This is pretty cool. All right, so far what I'm seeing is this cube is pretty controllable, and the magnet strength is a really nice strength. It's also really, really light. Like, I thought my GAN 356M was light. This is even lighter. Like, it's crazy. And also, it's like weirdly controllable. I don't know what it is. Or I'm assuming that's the core magnets, but like, it really helps. I don't know why. You can also hear the noise that it makes. This is, like, for comparison, this is the RS3M 2020. And then this is the GAN 11M Pro. It really has that GAN kind of feel. All right, now let's try corner cutting. Okay, the corner cutting has resistance, which is expected. It kind of feels like paper. I think people describe it as being papery smooth, that kind of sounds stupid, but like, that's the only way to describe it, man. For reverse cutting, I also feel like it doesn't really have any resistance, which is super weird because the normal corner cutting is like, oh wait, the corner cutting just got like 10 times better for some reason. I am so confused. Okay, so I'm gonna remove a piece just so I can see this core magnet stuff. And here it is. We have the adjustable magnets right here, and we even have the core magnets. So I'm assuming this is what's giving that control. And if you turn it this way, then it should come out. Yeah, so you feel kind of like a click, and then you can replace it with these ones in here. Yeah, so the difference is this one is a hexagon and this one is a triangle. I think this one is the stronger one, or at least it is on the GAN 12. And you may be wondering, this is basically the same price as the GAN 12. Why didn't I just get that one? The reason is the maglev version of that cube has had a lot of controversy, and the cube in general. I don't want to risk it being bad, and I've heard a lot of good things about the GAN 11M Pro. I'll be safe and just get this one. Maybe one day I'll get the GAN 12, but I don't think so. It's really expensive. Yeah, but that is the way, I guess, that you can adjust the magnets, and to put them back in, you have to turn it this way, clockwise. That that will lock it in so that, you know, this is not gonna fall out. Now this magnet, you change it with this screwdriver. So you can kind of see it on the camera. So it's 1, 2, and 3. And 3 is the strongest. So I'm assuming if I do this, so there we go. Did that just, wait, does that change the core? Oh, so this doesn't even change like these magnets. It's changing these top ones. So basically, I never knew that. So this changes the core magnet strength. That's how it works. I was always very confused. And I'm sure everyone watching has already seen this like a bajillion times. This core is a spider core so that this magnet right here attaches to this one right here. So it makes like a really cool feeling and it gives it a lot more control. So let's just put it back together. There we go. Man, this will never get old. Okay, now just the last thing that I want to show with the GAN 11M Pro is if you take off the center cap or any of the center caps, you can see there's a system in here, and this is basically just to change the elasticity and the screws. This will make it a lot easier for you to adjust things, and I'm going to really like it. These blue nuts have a different setting than these two. This has like, I think 1 and 3, and this has 2 and 4, I'm assuming. This tool right here is basically used to adjust whatever this is. This is, I think, elasticity. So you kind of put it on here and then you turn it. Well, I'm so confused. What? I need to take these off for this to work. If you just keep turning it, then eventually it'll go back to the lowest setting, which is that big click that you heard. Or I'm not even sure how this works. Okay, whatever. The entire cube popped because I don't know how this works. I'll figure out how this entire system works later, but now I want to move on to the other stuff in the unboxing. Actually, hold on. Don't want it to get damaged. There we go. All right, now we're gonna look at the YuHu Megaminx. I just know that this is a very good Megaminx, so I bought it and I can't wait to try it because this is my first Megaminx ever. So I'm not completely new to Megaminx. I think I have solved one once before. It's a really loud plastic wrap. I've never actually turned a Megaminx properly. This also feels a little bit bigger than I imagined a Megaminx would be. I remembered the last one I tried was pretty small. This one is a lot bigger. This is a magnetic Megaminx, so let's do some turns. Oh man, he's going fast. The speed of light is having some serious competition, man. Look at me go. I'm going. So, I don't know what else to say. I like the grip. So, as you can see, there's a circle here. And the way that it is that, my hands don't fall off when I'm turning. As you can see, I'm turning real fast. I'm going zoom. Yeah, but I really don't have anything else to say about this Megaminx except that it's pretty cool. And, I'm liking the shades. The shades are looking pretty cool. Especially like the pink here, it's looking pretty spicy. If you want to see me actually progress and learn how to solve the Megaminx, I think I know how to solve it right now, but I'm not going to try that right now. I'll probably post a video of my first ever solve. That'll go at some other time in my life, but, this is a pretty cool thing that I got. You should see some videos on Megaminx soon, so subscribe for that. Well, here's something else that I got. I got these bags because I think it would be a good idea to store lubes and just my cube, which, it might get replaced by the GAN 11M Pro. Not at the moment. I'm still thinking about that one, but, I can just store my cubes or whatever I want so that, I go to school and I bring my cubes with me. I don't want lint getting in the cube, so this can store them. I got one black and one white. And speaking of storing lubes, I also got a fair bit of lube because, yeah, this is Speedcube Shop's new, but also not very new because I'm kind of late to the trend, Stardust. I got 2 5ml bottles because, I was too lazy to wait for the 10 milliliters to come back in stock. So I just got these. This is Cosmos, or if you know it as Controlius, it's just renamed to Cosmos. I'm also late on this. And this is Lunar. I'm sure most of you know what this is. And this is weight 5 from Speedcube Shop. I was running out of weight 6, so I got a weight 5, and this will be very cool. So the main lubes are really Stardust and Cosmos. I got Lunar as well because it helps speed up the cube, but I was really interested in these two because I have a lot of really fast cubes that I would like to slow down. An example of this would be my GAN 356M. This cube is way too fast, as you can see. So this will be pretty nice in it, and I'm gonna test it out right now. So I'm gonna just go for like 2 drops. I don't want to go for too much because that would be scary. So this is kind of hard to get out of the thing. So there we go. That's 1 drop. That's 2. Freak, man. This is such a freak moment. I got lube on my fingers. Now we'll just break it in. Whoa, immediately. It's definitely doing its job. This feels really nice actually right now. If it stays like this, if this is how it slows it down, this is really cool. I like this. I am starting to like this cube. I always used to hate this because it was too fast, but whoa, this is so good. If you guys are looking for a lube to slow down your cube, I would definitely highly recommend Cosmos because it definitely slowed down this cube and I can actually control it and I kind of like the cube now. And the opposite is true with my main right now, the RS3M 2020. This cube is pretty slow. It's okay speed, but it is kind of slow and that always bugs me. I'm gonna try adding Stardust to make it faster. So it says here 6 drops, break in and enjoy, and I'll obey that. So, you know, 6 drops. Oh frick, man. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I did 6 drops in the cube, but I also did 1 drop outside of the cube, so it didn't call for that, but you know, a little extra would never hurt. I see it not hurting anybody. So let's just test it out. Yo, what is happening? What is that? I swear these cubes are insane. I meant lubes, but this is insane. I don't understand. Why does it just immediately, it's so much faster. Like it was doing a U2 hardly with 1 flick. It's almost doing a U4. What is this? This is magic. SpeedCube Shop's insane, man. I also heard that the combination of Lunar and Stardust together will make it long lasting because this is a water-based lube and it's very thin and it will dry up very quickly. But adding them both together in the same cube should make it very fast and also very good. I'll try this out in the future, but that's pretty much it for this unboxing. This is all very cool stuff. I am very impressed with everything that I got today. If you enjoyed this video, please like and sub, and also bye.